Hi, I'm Belle from Gardening Express, and this is a quick guide to taking care of your lawn this spring. So the first thing you might think of with lawn care is mowing, but before you can do that, you might want to give your lawnmower a quick check. So just get it started up, make sure that it doesn't make any weird noises as it's coming on, and you might also want to sharpen the blade a bit. Your lawn should be mowed regularly between March and October, and in the spring it should be about once a fortnight. So if you're growing a traditional grass lawn, make sure you've not got any unwanted plants growing in there. You can either weed them out by hand or with a tool, just make sure you get up as much of the root as possible. However, if you don't want as much of a uniform look, you could let your lawn grow out a bit. This is actually really beneficial for wildlife and supports the local ecosystem. If you stop mowing in early May, lots of different plants and wildflowers could grow in your lawn. Once you've mowed your lawn or decided against it, it's time to rake away any unwanted debris from the winter. This could be leaves, twigs, or anything that's unsightly or affecting your lawn's health. At this point, you can also use a rake to remove any buildup of moss or thatch. If your lawn is relatively new, you'll want to be giving it some extra water during the spring, but be careful not to overwater. Watering every 7 to 10 days tends to work well for new lawns. However, established lawns will be fine with natural rainfall, so unless the spring is uncharacteristically hot, you won't need to water an established lawn. Have a look over at your newly cleared lawn. If it's a little bit patchy, spring is actually the perfect time to lay some seed down and fill in those gaps. For any more information about plants and gardening, be sure to check out the other videos and articles on our website. Thanks for watching and enjoy your garden.